For this video, I'm gonna give very short reactions on the latest news in Philippine show business. Except for this very first, something about Chris Aquino, I'm gonna give a little insights into it. But the rest of the stories, I'll just give some mysterious expressions or one-liners. So let's go straight now to Chris Aquino. Chris Aquino says, Chris Aquino's latest chica, she says, "You all have a right to your opinions regarding decisions I've made and continue to make because you are all stakeholders in my career and I need you. But I've also been praying that you will reciprocate the respect I've tried my best to consistently give you by being a dedicated and passionate professional." All right. So that's great. That's the best word that describe a fan like you and me. We are really stakeholders of every artist's career because we support them. We buy their records, we watch their movies, we watch their television shows, we buy magazines featuring them, we talk about them, we promote their movies by fighting at times. And I think that she finally realized that we are part and parcel of their being stars, of their being famous. And dapat lamang ilabas na yan kasi nga ay matagal ng panahon na lagi na lamang nagagalit ang mga artista sa mga fans kasi bakit pinapakialaman, bakit nagpapapicture, bakit sinusundan, bakit pinagsisigawan, nasa private place sila. Of course, minsan nakakairita sa kanilang posisyon bilang mga private individuals din, di ba? But they should be, there should be some space for understanding. Wala namang hindi nakukuha sa magandang usapan na pasensya po muna at ganito. Mamaya po paglabas namin, di ba? Huwag yung magagalit agad or may mga artista pa nga na nagmumura or pinamumura pa yata sa kanilang mga bodyguards. Walang kalaban-laban ang mga ordinary fans kapag naglabas na sila ng sama ng loob sa Twitter. Because these ordinary fans have no power to contradict their statements. Pwede silang makipagtarayan, makipagbunong braso sa pamamagitan ng mga words through their sharp tongue. But still, hindi nila ito kayang i-sustain. Hindi nila kayang kunin ang suporta ng nakararami because they are fighting against these superpowers in social media and in the whole entertainment world. And it's quite very unfair. Maraming question. It's unfair. So, yun ang isang kagandahan dito sa statement ni Chris Aquino. Although I'm not pro-Chris. Diba? Ganoon lang. Napalun ko. Kinabahan. Kinabahan sa mga babash. Oops! Opinion. May karapatan tayo magbigay ng opinion just like everybody else in this planet. Alright, now let's go to the next one. Wala akong mga palapalabok, wala akong mga kadaldalan, wala akong mga idataktak na kung ano-ano. Pagbigay ko sa inyo ng isang picture, magbibigay lamang ako ng one-liners na, wow! So, and ganorn. Ayoko ng ganorn. Mas gusto ko yung ganorn. Okay? And I wouldn't elaborate on those answers. Bahala kayong magbigay ng sarili niyong interpretasyon sa aking one-liners. Let's go! Ganorn. So, ganorn. Exagerada. Wow! Wahoo! Wow. So, mm, pasmado.